The rule of 15 enables you to decide whether or not you can open the bidding light in the full seat. The bidding has gone no bid, no bid, no bid, and it's West's turn to bid. How many points does the last player need to bid? Does he have to have a good hand? Does he have to have a minimum hand? Or can he just bid? Firstly, when you open in the third and fourth seat, you don't need to have a rebid ready. The reason you don't need to have a rebid ready is because you know your partner doesn't have 13 points, so the hand is probably going to be paid in part score if you're opening on a minimum hand anyway. Let's look at the following hands. The bidding has gone pass, pass, pass. Should you opening this hand with one spade or not in the fourth seat? You've got 10 points and a 5-card spade suit. What about the second one? You've got exactly the same hand, but the suits, spades and clubs are now reversed. Again, 10 points and a 5-card suit. Should you open this hand with one club? The danger of opening this hand with one club? Well, the opponents might start joining in and you might not be able to outbid them. What about the third hand? You've got 12 points. The bidding's 3 no bids in front of us, so everybody's got equal amount of points. But what will happen if you open a club? Maybe the opponents will start to get busy and find a spade or a half it. You've got 12 points, 5 clubs and 4 diamonds, but you don't welcome any competition from the opponents in either major. On the last hand, however, you've got 5 clubs and 4 spades, and if you open the bidding, you do now have the boss suit, and you can outbid the opponents, and you can make a rebid in one spade if necessary. You've got 5 clubs and 4 spades. What we don't want to do is the following. We don't want to know open door policy. In other words, we don't want to make a bid in the last seat and suddenly the opponents start bidding and outbid us. That's the worst thing. If they could outbid us and win the contract, we might as well have thrown the hand in. Let's now go through the hands again and see how the rule of 15 stops the opponents from joining in, stops the opponents being able to join in. What you do is in the fourth seat, you add your high card points and the number of cards you have in the spade suit itself, and if the total is 15 or more, then you can open. You see, the more spades you have, the less chance the opponents can outbid you. If you've only got 1 or 2 spades, then the opponents could easily have spades and they could start overcalling and win the contract. So let's go through the hands again. On the first hand, we have the boss suit. We've only got 10 points, but the points are equally spread, and we could easily buy a part score, a couple of spades, and get plus 110 rather than throw the hand in. So let's apply the rule of 15 here. We have 10 honour points plus 5 spades. Yes, we can open one spade. Second hand, this time we've still got 10 points, 5 clubs. But let's do the calculation now. 10 plus 2 is only 12. Definitely don't want to open the doors to the opponents now. Our third hand, very tempting, very nice opening bid, but do we want to open the bidding to the opponents? We have 12 honour points, and again, only 2 spades, total 14. Therefore, throw the hand in. If partner had the values, so be it. And the last hand, 12 points, plus 4 spades. We can control this auction, and therefore we can open one club. So, in the fourth seat, you don't need extra values to open the bidding. You just need to be able to control the auction and not allow the opponents to come in on your party.